Street Talk! Yeah!
Welcome to Street Talk. I am your host, Jason, and this is for Monday, September the 1st. New month. Hope you guys are having a great Labor Day weekend, enjoying some burgers, some dogs, perhaps an adult beverage or two. Shh, I won't tell anyone. On to September. Now, mentioned last time the stash was won, so it resets. We're all at a clean slate. We got 20 grand up for grabs, 20 grand in the stash, 2 back-to-back 10 grand stunt days later this month, so you could walk away with a total of $60,000 if you're the luckiest SOB on the face of the earth. Now, first of the month, it's double prop extravaganza. 2 props, 1 sitting. Here we go. Louisville Cardinals hosting the Miami Hurricanes. Will also tackle the first half prop. Who will have more rushing yards, Duke Johnson for Miami or the entire Louisville team? Now, what do we know? Quick check of the line. Louisville 3.5 point favorite at home. Minus 170 on the money line. Remove the VIG. Implied percentage is Louisville to 61% favorite. What else? Bobby Petrino returns to the scene of the crime. You may remember he left Louisville years ago, went to the NFL and did a terrible job there, left in the middle of the night to go to Arkansas, where he then cheated on his wife and had a motorcycle wreck. Now he's back at Louisville. Who else is gone? Teddy Bridgewater. Huge loss for the Cardinals at quarterback as he was drafted earlier this year by the Vikings. They think they found their replacement in Will Gardner. Time will tell. Who else is gone? Well, Devontae Parker, stud wideout, got injured earlier this August. He is out for at least half the season. Also, on defense, Louisville lost 7 starters, 2 first-round NFL picks, including defensive end Marcus Smith. Now, where does that leave us for Miami? Miami quarterback Ryan Williams down with an ACL injury. Miami quarterback Brad Kaya up with a cool last name. A lot of inexperience at quarterback for Miami. What will they do? Well, I think Louisville will stack the line. I don't think there's any question they will not let Duke Johnson beat them. Duke Johnson last year, 4th in all-purpose yards in the nation. They're going to put 9 in the box, 10 in the box, 11 in the box, 12 in the box, 13 in the box, 14 in the box, 15. It doesn't stop. They will make Brad Kaya beat them throwing. Good news for Louisville. Even though they did lose 7 defensive starters, they did keep their top 2 cornerbacks, Charles Gaines and Terrell Floyd. Now, I think that lends itself to Louisville winning the first half prop. Now, Louisville was number 1 in the nation last year against the run. Obviously, as I've mentioned, they have lost a lot of talent. They lost a lot of starters. But I still think that they put enough in the box to stop Duke Johnson and pull out the victory. Now, notice there is no tie here, so perhaps we're looking at a gray. Who knows? As far as the full game, so many moving parts, so many guys going down with injuries on both sides. It's going to be a tough way to pick. Either way, it's the first of the month. It's easy to roll the dice. I'm going to go with the home team in Louisville. They are, like I said, they are 3.5 point favorites. I think the crowd will be electric. I also think Louisville, it's their first year in the ACC. I think they're a dark horse to win it. I know Florida State's head and shoulders above them. Miami wants to make noise in the Coastal Division. The Tar Heels are also a dark horse. But I think Louisville could come in and make some noise, and I think they get it done on Labor Day. Louisville for the full game prop. Louisville for the first half prop. Hope you guys enjoy it. We'll see you next time on Street Talk.